Hi guys, on a recent trip to Tarbert Loch Fyne to go to the seafood festival, I decided to take my camera equipment along with me to hopefully get some nice footage of Tarbert Castle as part of my Castles of Scotland series. But unfortunately on the day the weather wasn't with me. It was really windy, lots of heavy rain and 10 minutes of beautiful sunshine, so it just didn't make for getting the drone up and stuff like that, so that was a bit unfortunate. But I got some footage, and rather than waste that footage, I thought I'd put together a short video for you in Tarbert Castle, so I'll get that uploaded shortly. If you've not been to the Seafood Festival in Tarbert, I would certainly recommend that. It's a great day out for the family. They've got many stalls along the harbour frontage, selling paintings, arts and crafts, gins, whiskies, stuff like that, and many stalls selling lovely locally sourced seafood. So if you like seafood, that's one to put on your list. It's normally, I think, the last week in June, first week in July each year, and we normally stay at Loch Fyne caravan site, which is about a 25-minute bus journey. And that means that we can both get a couple of drinks and we'll have to worry about driving. So yeah, if you like seafood, that's a great day out, so go ahead and put that on your list. And I'll now upload the footage that I've got of the castle, so it's not much, but hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching. Tarbert Castle was once regarded as one of Scotland's best known strongholds, though today the ruins are mostly hidden by overgrown grass. The castle dates from the 13th century, a royal castle which was extended in the 14th century by Robert the Bruce. A tower house was added in the 16th century, which is the most noticeable part of the remains that you see today. The position of the castle was regarded as strong, giving superb views up East Loch Tarbert and beyond to the Firth of Clyde. It was a strategic royal stronghold during the Middle Ages and one of 3 castles around Tarbert. It overlooks a beautiful harbour below, and although pre-14th century in construction, the tower dates back to 1494 and the visit of James IV to the Western Highlands of Scotland. A visit to the pretty little town of Tarbert wouldn't be complete without the short climb to see this ancient ruin. Well, that's it for this video. We do hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, as always, it would be appreciated if you could click the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And remember, live today like there could be no tomorrow.